Unraveling Infinity. Understanding through all eternity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and profound phrase that often pops up in literature, songs, and deep conversations, through all eternity. This expression is rich with meaning and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations and writings. At its core, through all eternity refers to an endless or infinite duration of time. When we break down the phrase, through, suggests movement or existence across or during a period. All signifies completeness or entirety. Eternity means a state of being timeless, without beginning or end. Combined, the phrase expresses the idea of something that lasts forever, transcending the limits of human understanding of time. It's often used to emphasize the permanence and unceasing nature of an action, feeling, or state. To understand through all eternity better, let's look at some examples. In love, I will love you through all eternity. This means one's love is unending and will never fade. In commitment, we are bound together through all eternity. Here, it suggests an unbreakable bond that lasts forever. In literature and poetry, authors and poets use this phrase to evoke a sense of timelessness or to stress the eternal nature of certain concepts, like beauty, truth, or justice. Incorporating through all eternity into your English can elevate your language, especially when expressing deep, timeless emotions. Use it when you want to express feelings that you believe are everlasting. Making profound statements. It can add weight and depth to your speeches or writings, especially on themes related to time, love, or philosophy. Remember, while it's a powerful phrase, it's also very formal and poetic. It's best used in contexts where such a tone is appropriate. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and use of through all eternity. We hope this journey has not only enriched your understanding of this phrase but also inspired you to think about the ways language can capture the depth of human emotions and the mysteries of time. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use through all eternity in your English conversations and writings when the moment feels right. Until our next video, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.